In this session, let's have a hands-on coding or writing test cases from end to end, basically. Okay, coming to as last session, we discussed like no how to write a test cases, how to run the test cases, what kind of functions we will use, those kind of things already discussed. And here, what I will do is I will try to create a main folder, and which I will create a main function, sorry, main.go file. So here I can create a package of main. I will try to write one simple function, that is func main, and here I'm just trying to write no println of main start and fmt dot println of main end. Okay. Uh, okay. This import anyway automatically taken care. So what I will do is I will try to run this program just to make sure like everything is on on good shape regarding the go set up everything. Go run main.go. Yes, it is working, right? Main start, main go, main end, right? Perfect. So let us try to write now one kind of one more folder inside this. I can say like let us write a some math util. Okay. In math util, I will try to write a one function called one file called math.util.go. So what here we will do is we will try to write all the mathematical related functions here. For example, package math.util, right? Let us write a func of add. Let us assume like it will take two variables and it will return a result. Okay. Just we'll try to return a plus b here. That's it. Okay, nothing else we are doing here. Now, so let us call this function in the main method and try to see what happens. Okay. Fmt dot println math util dot add of assume that 10 comma 20. Okay. Okay. So we are importing the math util here. Okay. Perfect. So let us run this and see. Go run. Yes, it is printing, right? Now it is perfect as of now. Now let us write test cases for this add function. For that, as per the discussion, right, we have to write a file. Okay, that should be like a math util underscore test dot go. This is the format we need to follow, right? This is how actually we can write uh, the test file for this particular math util.go file. So here we can use the math util package, and basically the function name also we discussed in the previous session. For example, I'm trying to write the test for the test function for the add. So the function test for test method format will be test add. This is the format, and also we discuss like it will take the testing namespace, testing actually testing dot t, right? So this is what actually we are. This is the way you can write the your own test case for the add method. This is the format. Okay. So now what we will do is I will try to write the expected result. Basically, I can say result Basically, for add method, I can say, for example, 2 comma 3, we're expecting 5 for this, right? If result is not equal to 5, then we need to file. How to fail this test case? You can write your own. There are methods we discuss, right? There is a method called error f. Here, what we can do is add of 2 comma 3 equal to whatever percentage of whatever we received, but want 5, right? So we'll try to display result. So this is the minimum test basically, right? So this test we can run in different ways. One is actually, let me run this dot dot. Here what I can do is cd math util. We discussed Agda, right? Go test is the command, right? We can run the go test command. Yes, it is passing now. This is one way, and also you can run from here also, right? So this is passing now, right? For example, if I try to write here something wrong here, just to check how to fail test case, how that message will be printed. Okay. What we can do is clear this, go test. This is failing, and also see, if you see, right, this is actually expected. This value only expected, but this is only required. But because we wrote test case itself wrong, but this is the correct way, right? Okay, I think you got the idea, right? How the test cases can be written, how we can write the test file for the for the any file you want to test, and also you understood like how you can write the test functions for this. Similarly, let's write two more functions. For example, write func divide. Also, we'll take variables of type integer, and we'll try to return here integer and error also. Okay. In this case, if b equal to 0, that means any number divisible by 0 is infinite, right? We can't do that actually. So in this case, what we will do is we will return 0, and no, we will try to return errors dot new of division by 0 is not allowed, right? Okay. Otherwise, what we can do is we can return a by b, comma nil. Nil is the error. That's it. Okay. Perfect. So this is the function we already wrote, and yeah, we can write the test case for this, right? So what we can do in the test cases, we can write. I think now you know how to write the test case. Test divide, right? And also you can take the testing.t to get the helper methods like test error, all those things, t dot error, t dot fail, those kind of things. Getting from this testing.t namespace. So here what we will do is we will try to result comma error equal to divide of 6 comma 0. I believe that you know how to write the code in Golang. If you are not aware, you can go back to the see the my previous Golang session basically to understand the Go. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So now in this case, actually we are expecting some error, right? Example, if error whatever we are receiving is nil, then there is a failure actually. T dot error f of expected an error, but got result percentage of d comma result. Okay. So this is what actually happens. So now again we can test case here also if you want. Of course this is passing, and also you can run here also go test. Okay, fine. As of now all fine basically, right? Now let us write one more method to cover the table kind of format basically. Okay. So what we will do is we'll try to write the function for multiply. This is simple functions I am writing to make sure like we are in understanding. Okay. Here nothing like we just written into B. That's it. So for this test case, what we discussed earlier, right? At the table format, table data testing kind of thing. That way we can try to write it here. You know, like what function we need to write that because we are already following the format. The func will be like a test multiply, right? That is the test followed by the function name. Here, what I will do is I will try to create a multi-test, okay, which is basically array of I can say struct with values like a comma b and also expected of type integer. Cool. Now what I will do is I will try to write the table format expected values. Assume like we will take care of 3 is enough. So for example 2 comma 3, the result 2 into 3 is 6. Similarly for other case 5 and 4 which multiplication value is 20. And another case what I want is 0 comma some 7 which result is 0. So this is the table. First value is a, second value is b, and the third value is the expected value, right? Now let us write our method now, func test multiply. Okay, and also like testing dot t for error purpose. So here what I will try to do is I will try to iterate everything, and no test case equal to range of multitest. So here actually what I will do is I will try to get the result by calling multiply method with tt dot a comma tt dot b values. This will give like 2 3 ja 6. The result will be 6 for first test case, and here I can try to compare with result is not equal to tt dot expected. Then I will try to print the error t dot error f multiply of percentage of d equal to percentage of d expected percent of d, right? So now what we can do is tt dot a comma tt dot b comma tt dot expected. Okay, perfect. So this is how actually we can use the table kind of test case. Here if you observe, right, we are covering many test cases in one go. Okay, so here let me run this thing. Uh, go test. Okay, Here are a format percentage argument four, but call three arguments. Okay, one, two, three. Okay. So tt dot multiply percentage expected this. Okay. Right. It should be result here. Right. Okay. So let us run now. Basically, the multiple of the from A and B equal to whatever result we got. That's what actual third parameter. But we're expected whatever the test case we have, whatever the table format we define, that is the expected value actually. We need to expect. Okay. Go test. Yeah, all good now. And also you can see that no, we can try to run the test cases one by one also. So it will be tick marked once the test case is completed. If you observe that, right? Yeah, similarly here also, and also here, right? So we covered the most of the things whatever we spoke about in our previous session. Example like creating test file, a testing package, and also running test cases. And also we'll try to cover no function names and naming conventions of the functions and files as well. I mean test files. And also we covered t dot error, and also we covered the table driven test cases for the multiplication thing. Okay. Yep. That's it about this session. Thank you.